Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sitting in a 2015 Dodge Journey and you get this error. So even though I've got the key and it's saying key not detected. This is generally from a dead battery, unless you of course have the wrong key fob. But once the battery goes dead, the car is not able to detect it. And so now what are you going to do? Quick hack to get yourself going and get yourself back to home or somewhere to get a new battery is simple. Is again, same key. Place it right onto the start button, pushing the brake, push the button with the key fob, and there you have it. Quick hack to get yourself going again. Stay to the end of the video and I'll show you how to do a quick battery replacement as well. Well guys, that about wraps it up. Just a quick hack to get you going if you got a dead battery in your fob. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, we'll catch you next time. Cheers.